Now let's arrange our components in our schematic. Yeah, let me zoom in a little bit so that we can easily see our components. So these are the three symbols we have added of battery cell, LED and our resistor. So let's arrange it. You can select a symbol in the schematic sheet by just clicking on it and the symbol is selected. If you want to move it, click on it, hold the click, and you can easily move the symbol in your schematic anywhere you want. So another thing is you can also select this symbol by dragging and drawing a rectangle, and this is selected. If you want to select multiple objects, you can do like this. In this way both are selected, and if you want to move both collectively, then hit M and you can now move your both the symbols like a resistor and LED. I have selected them both and hit M and you can move this. Just again click and this will fix on the schematic sheet or will be placed on the schematic sheet where you want to place them. So by clicking, if I click on the symbol, the entire symbol is selected. But if I want to choose the specific field, like if I click over here and you can drag it anywhere, this is the reference designator. So individually you can also select any field of the symbol like this. I can move this over here and anywhere. So you can select entire symbol. You can select entire symbol or can select a single field of the symbol. So let's just arrange this. You can arrange this by, let's click over here and let's hit R to rotate it, and let's click on the resistor, hit M to move the resistor, and let's place it in a single line. Let's now select the battery cell, hit M and move it a little closer. So there are two things, like if you draw a wire, I will show you in the coming videos how to draw wire. Let's add wire and click over here and join with this LED. Now I have drawn a wire between resistor and LEDs. So if you want to move a resistor, click on it and hit M. You see that the connection with the LED is now broken. The wire didn't move with this resistor. But if I select this resistor and hit G on the keyboard, this will also drag the wire along with the resistor. You can see over here the connection with the LED is not broken because I moved this resistor by pressing the letter G. So there is a difference between the move command with the M and the moving by pressing the letter G. So if I hit M, this will disconnect with the wire, but if I hit G, this will remain connected within the circuit. Now in order to rotate any of the symbol like this, I want to rotate it, click on the select the symbol and hit R. This will rotate the symbol. Each time you hit R, this will rotate. So if you want to delete any of the symbol, like let's say I want to delete this resistor, select this resistor and hit del on the keyboard and this will delete the resistor. Let's add it again into our schematic. Let's search over here resistor. I want to add resistor underscore US, this US symbol. Double click over here and place it over here. So in this way you can select, rotate your components and delete the components